Hi team, I would like to start a topic of automation and scripting in Linux, and this is the first video in the series, and I'll talk about shell script. The beauty of the shell scripting is that we don't need a complex development environment to get started. To make a shell script that acts like a system command, we do need to do a few things though. First, we create a text file in our editor, in the text editor. In the terminal, let's type in vi / script sh and hit enter. We named it as script sh so that vi will do a syntax highlighting for us. Scripts don't have to be named like this, but it makes it nicer for the text editor and also easier for debugging. For the next step, we need to edit the text file and make the first line to point to the shell interpreter. We can do this by pointing it directly at the interpreter using an absolute path. Let's go to insert mode by pressing the I key, and then let's type in hash !/ bin bash. In this case, we are specifying an absolute path to the bash interpreter executable. We can also use a second form. Let's change it to hash !/ user / bin / env space bash. In this case, we use env command to search the system path for the bash interpreter and execute it here. The advantage is that it could be in a different location and it will still execute. Let's add one line to text. Let's add one line of the text to our script. Let's hit enter and let's add echo. This is a shell script. Now let's press escape WQ ! Let's hit enter. After we edit code and saved our script, we need to change the permissions and make it executable. Let's type in chmod u plus x script sh and hit enter. These steps allow us to execute our script as if it were a command. The last thing we would do is to make that seamless to put our command in the system path. In Enterprise Linux 7, we have a directory set aside for this. It just hasn't been created yet. Then the user logs in the directory is added to the system path specifically for that user. The directory is ~bin, so we need to create it. Let's type in dir make directory /bin and hit enter. I already created it, so it says it's already exists. Lastly, we need to move our script into bin directory. Let's type in mv script sh ~bin and hit enter. Now we can execute any script in this directory just by calling its name without the path. Let's type in script.sh and hit enter, and we see our echo command has been executed. You can name your script without the .sh extension to make them seem more like a system command, or even create a symbolic link to them without the extension. Note though that none of these steps are actually required to run a text file as a shell script. You can create a text file and provide it as an argument to bash and it will run. For instance, let's type echo echo. This is a shell script. Single quote. Then more than sign, then space ~bin bin / script2 sh and hit enter. This new script only has one line in it that reads echo this is a shell script. Now let's run it by providing it as an argument to the bash. Let's type in bash tilde / bin / script2 sh and hit enter. We see that it runs even without execute permissions or a line indicating the desired interpreter. This is all that I have for this video. Thank you very much. Bye.